Have you ever felt crushed by criticism? You're not alone. Today, we will explore how Stoic techniques can help you overcome criticism with calmness and strength. Stoicism, an ancient Greek philosophy, offers powerful tools to manage and grow from criticism. Let's start with the basics. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control and accept what we can't. When it comes to criticism, we can't control what others say about us, but we can control how we respond. Imagine you're in a boat on a river. The river represents life's events, including criticism. You can't control the river's flow, but you can control how you steer your boat. First, let's look at why criticism affects us. Criticism often triggers a defensive response because it feels like an attack on our self-esteem. We might think, if someone criticizes me, there must be something wrong with me. This is where Stoic thinking helps. Stoics believe that our worth is not determined by others' opinions. Instead, it's based on our actions and virtues. A useful Stoic technique is to view criticism as feedback, not a personal attack. Think of criticism as a mirror reflecting areas where we can improve. If someone tells you, your presentation was unclear, instead of feeling hurt, consider it a chance to enhance your communication skills. Ask yourself, is there any truth in this criticism? If yes, use it to grow. If not, let it go. It's like sorting through a basket of fruit, keep the good ones and discard the rotten ones. Another technique is to practice emotional detachment. This doesn't mean becoming cold or indifferent. Instead, it means not letting emotions cloud your judgment. When criticized, pause and take a deep breath. This gives you a moment to choose a calm response instead of reacting impulsively. Imagine you're a rock in a stream, unmovable despite the rushing water around you. Next, consider the source of the criticism. Is it coming from someone you respect and who has your best interests at heart? If so, their feedback might be valuable. If it's from someone who often criticizes without reason, it's less likely to be helpful. Remember, not all criticism deserves your attention. It's like tuning a radio, you want to listen to clear and meaningful signals, not static. Stoicism also encourages us to develop resilience. Resilience is like a muscle, the more you use it, the stronger it becomes. When faced with criticism, remind yourself that it's an opportunity to build this muscle. Each time you handle criticism well, you become more resilient. Picture a tree bending in the wind but not breaking. The more it bends, the more flexible and strong it becomes. Let's talk about self-reflection. Stoics believe in daily self-reflection to evaluate our actions and thoughts. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to reflect on any criticism you received. Ask yourself, how did I respond? What can I learn from this? This practice helps you grow and prepare for future criticisms. It's like a gardener tending to plants, regularly checking and nurturing them to ensure they thrive. Gratitude is another powerful Stoic tool. When criticized, try to find something to be grateful for. It might sound strange, but gratitude can shift your perspective. If someone points out a mistake, be grateful for the chance to learn and improve. Gratitude acts like sunlight, helping you see things in a positive light. Now, let's put these techniques into practice with a simple example. Imagine you're at work, and your boss criticizes your latest report, saying it lacks detail. Instead of feeling upset, take a deep breath. View the criticism as feedback, not a personal attack. Consider if there's truth in it and how you can improve. Reflect on your response at the end of the day and express gratitude for the opportunity to learn. This approach helps you stay calm and turn criticism into growth. To sum up, Stoic techniques can transform how you handle criticism. By focusing on what you can control, viewing criticism as feedback, practicing emotional detachment, considering the source, developing resilience, self-reflecting, and expressing gratitude, you can turn criticism into a powerful tool for personal growth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on Stoicism and personal development. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for you. Remember, you have the power to steer your boat calmly through the river of life.